Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.